When it comes to your retirement savings, the last thing you want is to gamble on a company that's new or has a spotty history. But how do you know who's actually built to last and who's just good at marketing? Alright, here's one quick way to check if a Gold IRA company really has the track record they claim. Just go to Google and type company name BBB. In this case, I will use Augusta Precious Metals. So we're looking for things like an A plus rating, but more importantly, how long they have been accredited and how many reviews they have earned over time. If you want to go one step further, you can also check Business Consumer Alliance. Just type company name BCA. Then look for signs of consistency like a AAA rating or long-standing membership. These quick checks help you tell the difference between a proven company and one that might not be around in a few years. And if you want a full breakdown of Augusta's history, awards, and watchdog endorsements, they actually include it in their corporate brochure. It's part of the full bundle of free Gold IRA guides, which I've linked below this video. This corporate brochure is really helpful if you're looking for a company that's built to last. You will see things like how long they've been in business, their BBB or BCA credentials, and even recognition from respected financial voices. And that's just one of the guides. When you request a bundle, you will also get educational PDFs about fees, buyback policies, and how to avoid sales pressure. So if you're serious about picking a Gold IRA provider with a real track record, not just big promises, grab the full guide bundle. It's totally free and I'll link it in the description below this video.